Welcome to Wizard Village. My name is Furmion, and I'm a quantum cat. The Cat spell is the most important spell in Wizard Village, and the wizards are working very hard to bring it back to the entire world. It's also very useful for us quantum cats. It helps us make Quan-tum Cat Treats. I'm excited to show you. As you know, us quantum cats love to snack on Quan-tum Cat Treats. That's why we have a Quan-tum Cat Treat machine. It makes all the treats we ever want to eat, but it has one too many quirks and needs a spell called Cat to make it work. It uses stacks of quantums as starting materials and combines them to make funky treat flavors we love to eat. Want to see some yummy quantums? They come in many flavors. Here are a few of the popular ones below. Quantums come in stacks, and we eat them top to bottom, but that's a lot of bites. The best treats are concatenated treats and have lots of flavors in a single bite. It's why we use the Quan-tum Cat Treat machine. Once we cast the Cat spell, it helps us turn quantums into snacks we boson over. Watch this. Oh, wait, I forgot to turn it on. That's better. Ready? Whoa, what did just happen and how? I think you're ready to see the Quan-tum Cat Treat machine and learn how it works. As I said, it takes a stack of quantums and produces yummy Quan-tum Cat Treats full of amazing flavor combinations. I know you're excited to try it, but first we have to learn the Cat spell. This is part 1 of the Cat spell. Don't panic. If you can't read ancient spells, here's what it really means. Never ever try to make treats with a single quantum. You will blow up the machine and cannot try again until we repair it and recast Cat. You need at least 2 quantums for the spell to work, so no. Here's part 2 of Cat spell. This means that from any stack of quantums, the machine will only use the second and first quantums from the top of the stack. It's not so bad so far, right? Here's part 3 of the Cat spell. The tasty treats our Quan-tum Cat Treat machine produces cannot be too big or they will not fit, so you cannot combine quantums that will overload the machine. You will blow it up and you cannot try again until we repair it and recast Cat. So again, no. Time for part 4 of Cat spell. This is the most exciting. This part of the Cat spell defines how quantums are combined by the Quan-tum Cat Treat machine. It looks for the second from the top quantums in your stack. Then it copies all the quantums on top of your stack and attaches them to the second from the top quantum. Now that's concatenation. Now for the last part of the Cat spell. It's no biggie, just a little cleanup at the end. This part of the Cat spell makes the machine get rid of the top remaining quantums in the stack by popping them off. Ready? Poof! All gone. Whoa, you made it through the Cat spell, congrats! Now let's cast one and run the Quan-tum Cat Treat machine to make a tasty treat for all the quantum cats in Wizard Village. First part of the spell says we need to make sure we have more than 1 quantum in our stack. Looks like we are good to go and we can load the machine. The second part of Cat spell tells us that only the second quantum from the top and the top quantum will be used. Got it. Third part checks and makes sure that the quantums in the treat we make will fit in the machine. Let's have a look. They will fit and we are good to go. Ready for the next part? It's time to concatenate. Bam, just one more step to go. A little cleanup at the top and we have a tasty treat. Gee meow, now that's a tasty concatenated treat. Yum!